In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a responsive and neatly organized navigation bar using div blocks and flexbox in a web design tool. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to enhance their web design capabilities, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, we're going to start by establishing the foundation for our navigation setup. The key here is to create a wrapper div, which will act as a versatile container for all of our navigation elements. Go ahead and add a new div block to your workspace. This div will serve as our main wrapper. It's essential to set its width to 100% because this ensures that your navigation bar spans the entire width of your page, creating a seamless and professional look. Now that we have our wrapper div, let's build an inner container within it. This step is crucial for organizing the layout. Inside our wrapper div, add another div block which will function as your inner container. This container is where we'll house our logo and navigation links. To create a balanced design, set a max width for this inner container. This max width acts as a constraint to ensure the content doesn't stretch across larger screens unnecessarily. Pair this setting with a margin set to auto. By doing this, you automatically center the container, giving your navigation a polished and centered appearance on various screen sizes. Next, you'll want to implement Flexbox in your inner container. Flexbox is a wonderful tool for creating flexible and responsive layouts without using float or positioning. Switch on the Flexbox feature for your inner container. This setup will allow us to neatly arrange our navigation items. With Flexbox in place, let's start populating our container. Insert your logo first. Depending on your design choice, this can be done using an image block or a link block with an image applied. What's fantastic about using a link block here is that it not only showcases your logo, but also doubles as a home link, allowing users to navigate to the home page with ease. Next, add your navigation links. These can be created as either link blocks or text links, depending on your stylistic preference. Now it's time to arrange these elements using Flexbox. The beauty of Flexbox settings is their ability to align and distribute space among items in a container, even when their sizes are dynamic. You might prefer your logo positioned centrally with navigation links on either side for a balanced look. To achieve this, use additional div blocks within the inner container, each containing sections of links. Use Flexbox controls to distribute them evenly across the container. This fluid distribution creates an intuitive navigation experience for users, regardless of the screen size. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully crafted a responsive navigation bar using div blocks and Flexbox. This technique not only enhances the functionality of your website, but also elevates its design, providing visitors with a smooth and enjoyable browsing experience. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be able to apply these principles across various web projects.